Back to the ball game tayo sa laban ng Letran Squires at San Pedro Red Hawks. And right now, San Pedro leading 25-14. As Letran finally sinking the 3-point shot. Wala rito kay Navarro.
Nice pass by Diamante Parang smooth pass lang niya. Corner 3 points. Ganda ng pasa.
Cañete hesitates, gives it to the big guy. Nilabas muna kay San Juan. And he was fouled. Great anticipation by San Juan.
San Juan nautakan si Navarro. So, one fake. Tumalong si Navarro. Parang mga James Harden move yung galaw ni San Juan. Pasabit. Tingnan natin kung 3 points yung ibibigay para sa kanya. 3 free throw or 2 free throws lang.
Ayun, bago pa tayo magdire-diretso, big thanks to the NCAA Policy Board headed by Dr. Vincent K. Fabella, to the NCAA Management Committee headed by Paul Supan, Chairman of the NCAA Season 99 Mancom. This NCAA Season 99 Junior Basketball Tournament is hosted by Jose Rizal University, supported by Arellano University, Colegio San Juan de Letran, College of St. Benilde, Emilio Aguinaldo College, Lyceum of the Philippines University, Mapua University, San Beda University, San Sebastian College Recoletos, and University of Perpetual Health System Delta.
Tsaka yung badge, Letran Alumni 76, lalong-lalo kay Dito Barbie Atienza at Danilo Martinez na nanonood ngayon.
And right now, San Juan at the line for his last shot. That's good para rito kay San Juan. It's a 9-point lead now for San Pedro Red Hawks. This is the largest lead by a team against
the defending champions.
Letran can't get it from the 3 once again. Maybe they have to take it inside for the Letran. It's all because they're not hitting it from the outside.
Kasi ang nangyayari kasi sa Letran ngayon, parang nagmamadali sila naman na sobra. So, feeling ko kailangan lang nila mag-settle down. Yung poise nila, kailangan yung championship experience nila, idala na nila dito. Ngayon, nag-change sila sa defense. 1-2-2 defense naman yung pinapakita nila ngayon.
A miss there from the San Beda. Tatakbo na ang Letran rito. Nasa kabila si Navarro and now gives it to Goles. Swings it to Diamante, but decides to swing it to the corner. Hindi lang matanganan ng bola, and he will be called a violation here.
Stepping outside.
Balik ang bola sa mga nakapula.
Pero panira na kay Diamante, di ba? Pinasa niya pa. So, nagdadalawang isip ngayon yung Letran Squares.
Cañete nagbababa.
1-3-1 defense ang pinapakita ng Letran Squares.
Matumbakan. Gives it to Cañete. 9 to shoot for the red shirts. Decides to take it from the top. No good. But San Juan gets the offensive board. 8:19 remaining in the second quarter. Cañete fires another one and makes it this time.
Kirk Cañete, buo yung loob. Sumablay. Kahit sumablay, titira pa rin ako.
Letran again trying to answer from the 3 also. Pero Mintis done. And another double dribble or another violation from Letran Squares here. San Beda.
Medyo nagmamadali nga yung Letran Squares. So, natawagan ng double dribble si Diamante.
San Beda really doing a good job here sa ating first half. Trying to keep Letran Squares at bay. By Loses. Now Cañete gives it to the right side. Doliente to San Juan. Now Cañete once again open from the 3. Mintis lang this time. Bababa ang Letran dito. Manalili. Sasagasa! And Manalili scores!
Coast to coast move by Manalili. Moses Manalili. Coast to coast. Back to 1-2-2 defense na naman ang Letran Squares.
A 10-point lead here by the red shirt. Doliente, anticipated by the Letran Knights. Letran Squires, counter still by Cañete. Tatakbo ang Beda. Cañete to the corner by Loses.
Short.
Can't get it. Counter run by the Letran. Silorio with a basket.
What a move by Silorio. Akala mo mawawala na yung bola pero nagawan pa rin ng paraan. Yun talaga dun ang strength ng Letran pag tumatakbo.
And with that basket, wala na lang ang inahabol itong Letran Squires. Magbabalik tayo rito yan sa NCAA Season 19 Junior Basketball Tournament. Back to the ball game, still San Beda University Red Bulls leading here 29-21. All thanks to their 3-point shooting, James.
Yes, nakakabawi na nga dahil sa mga easy points. Yung Letran, kaya lang, easy points sana yun, kaya lang nag-witness lang si Goles.
And right now, Letran trying to do their game inside, but doon lang sa possession na Mintes lang, sayang yung open basket.
Tinatry nila na makakuha ng mga easy points sa fast break, so still na sila, takbo kagad yung Letran Squires, so kailangan talaga mabawasan yung errors ng San Beda Red Caps.
May losses to San Juan from the corner, no good. Tatakbo na naman ang Letran. Manalili hesitates, decides to drive, and was blocked there.
Four shot by Manalili.
Mercado with a big block against Manalili. Ito, sabi ng San Beda siguro, hindi kayo tumatama from the outside. We know that you're gonna go your game sa loob. Ito, naaabangan naman itong mga taga San Beda.
Actually, San Beda ngayon, fall in love na sila sa 3 points. Parang 2 or 3 na, isablay nila sa 3-point shots ngayon.
San Juan off the board is good.
San Juan, the bank is open.
Chamante trying to find his teammate to the corner with a spin here. Manalili, naagawan ng bola. Tatakbo ng San Beda by losses to the corner. Cañete nabitawan.
Lakas lang ng pasa ni San Juan.
Lakas ng pasa.
Oo.
Tatakbo ang Letran with that looper is good. By Liling this time.
By Liling. Doon talaga nag-aano yung Letran sa fast break points. Pag nag-error ka, patay ka sa kanila. Automatic yun, score.
Still an 8-point lead here by the San Beda Red Bulls. By losses. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Gives into the corner. Lorenzo
Nice
with a great pass to
Lorenzo.
Doliente. Nako.
Sayang.
Walang nag-slide to the right corner para rito sa San Beda.
Walang tao lang sa corner. Good intention. Kaya lang wala lang tao sa corner. Si Coach Migo ata yung nakita niya. Coach Migo Roldan nandun sa corner.
Chamante anticipated by San Juan. A steal here. Complete steal by the Beda. Doliente for 3. No. By losses. Wala raw. No count. Ang foul ay sa San Beda. Babalik ang bola rito sa Letran Squad.
Swerte pa yung Letran nun. Yung bumaba sa depensa nila, konti lang. So, kung di na foul lang yung San Beda nun, easy 2 points para sa San Beda yun.
5 minutes remaining in this first half, and San Beda still leading in this game, 31-28. But Letran still trying to find their rhythm. Goles with the ball. with a spin, with a shot is good para rito kay Goles.
Yung Goles, mahilig talaga sa spin move, no? Another spin move in a layup. Grabe. Ang galing ng bata ng Goles na to.
Beda with the ball. Now Lorenzo. Cañete. Two-man game here for Beda. Gives it to Vailoses. From the elbow is good para kay Vailoses.
Nice pass by Kirk Cañete to Vailoses. Libreng-libre yung Vailoses. Pagkapasa, open na open. Ang nangyayari kasi sa Letran, overheld. Parang 2 o 3 tao sa isang player. Kaya na-open yung shooters ng San Beda.
As Manalili once again missing on that attempt. What they're trying to do is to kick out. Ito mga taga-Letran.
Nag-overheld. Parang 2 o 3 tao yung umiheld. So na-open talaga yung mga shooters ng San Beda.
As Vailoses missed on the jumper. Balik ang bola sa Letran. They can't capitalize. Ito mga taga-Letran squares, you know, they're getting stops. But from the other end of the floor, hindi sila nakakascore.
Hindi rin nakaka-convert eh.
Rick Goles with the ball. Gives it to Maliling. Fires from the three. Finally! For the Letran squares from the 3-point line.
Nice pass, Goles to Jovel Baliling. Open na open din sa 3-point shot na yun. Nice pass.
It's only the third 3-point shot. Cañete with a looper. He was found! And the basket para rito kay Kirk Cañete.
Na-late lang ng konti yung help ni Hugo. So, ang ganda ng baseline drive ni Kirk Cañete. Tapos, tinir-drop na lang. Konting-konti lang yung delay ng help. Pero yun lang ang kailangan ni Kirk Cañete. Konting space lang din. Kayang-kaya niya na itira.
Ganyan na ganyan ba yung galawan mo nung Red Cubs ka, Jay?
Wala. Ano lang ako nun? Taga-tira lang ako kasi may OG Minor kami tsaka may JR Taganas. MVP. Sila yung naglalaban lagi sa MVP nun.
Oo. Pero iba pa rin yung kalibre rin naman ng James Martinez.
Wala. Ano lang talaga ako nun. Tagapasa lang ako sa kanila.
And right now, Cañete will try to complete the bonus here. He makes it. 3 and 19 seconds remaining for the first half.
Kirk Cañete, 7 points already sa ball game na to.
Letran still trailing here.
San Beda naman yung nag-zone defense, 2-3.
Reyes, great footwork. Anything but the shot para dito kay Reyes. But San Beda with the ball. Patumbakan to San Juan. Gives it to Vailoses, cross-court pass. And ang Batumbakan decides to take it inside. Nabitawan ang bola. Mukhang nasa ratuan nun si Batumbakan.
Yun naman, tama naman yung help ng Letran naman. Kanina, na-delay lang ng konti ngayon. Tamang-tama yung help para ma-force na turnover.
A chance here for Letran to inch closer. They're down by 10 here. Manalili gives it to Baliling. Decides to take it and drop it off to Reyes.
Sayang.
Another
Short lang.
almost an easy shot. Vailoses!
Pinoy step. Sayang. Vailoses.
Mintis doon. Letran, ito na naman. Tatakbo. And this time, maiko-kompleto ng mga taga-Letran itong possession at may kasama pang foul doon. Baliling.
Kapag kalaban mo tong Letran squares, hindi ka pwedeng pumikit eh. Pag pikit mo, nandun na kaagad sa kabilang court eh.
Takbo ng takbo.
Takbo ng takbo. Grabe tong Letran squares.
Again, we're talking about San Beda's 3-point shooting, and right now, sa first half pa lang, they have 7 3-point made. 7 out of 21 para rito sa San Beda Red Cubs. That's a lot for a quarter or for a half.
Last game, 7 lang yung na 3 points nila. Ngayon, first half pa lang, 7 3 points made na sila.
At itong Letran, ilan ba yung kanila? 3. Dalawa para sa Letran. 2 out of 9.
2 out of 9 naman yung Letran.
Ito San Beda, bibigyan pa ng free throw dito. O penalty na itong mga taga-Letran. 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining sa ating first half. San Beda leading 37-29 and San Juan adds more to the board para rito sa San Beda.
Juris San Juan, ganda ng nilalaro nito ngayong araw na to.
Second shot for San Juan. Yes.
7 points na para kay Juris San Juan.
Medyo nagmamadali rin kasi itong mga taga-Letran sa kanilang mga tiro. Pero right now, slowly, they're getting their rhythm back. Goles takes it inside. Malakas lang. But he will get his own miss and drops it off!
Nice pass by Goles.
To Reyes.
Nice pass, Rick Goles.
Sabi
To
niya,
Reyes.
kung di ko makitira, ikaw na lang.
Oo.
Ako na lang kukuha ng rebound. Cañete, another floater, short. But rebound here by San Beda. Cañete from the tree, no good. Tatakbo na San Beda, Baliling. Naghahanap ng papasahan, nakita si Reyes. Hands off. Baliling still with the ball, 15 to shoot. Cross court to Goles, to the corner. No! Great D by the San Pedro Redcaps. Tatakbo na si Cañete. Dalawa ang nasa sahig. Cañete to the corner. And now, from the tree, no good itong si Winters. And he will be fouled sa ilalim itong si Batong Bakal by a Letran squad player, James.
Counted ba yun, yung tira ni Batong Bakal? No count.
No count daw, sabi natin mga referee. You can see the ball movement from this Red Cubs, James.
Parehas parehas maganda yung ball movement kaya lang mas tumatama lang tong San Beda Red Caps ngayong game na to. Yung Letran, pina-find din nila yung open man, kaya lang hindi sila tumatama sa outside.
Goles, under a minute remaining sa ating first half. Two-man game, Baliling decides to take it from the top. No good for Baliling. Beda once again with a defensive stop by Loses to the corner. Batong Bakal for three, no. Defensive rebound by the Beda.
Swerte pa sa bola yung San Beda ngayong araw. Kuha na ni Baliling eh. Kaya lang natapik, nakapunta pa kay Winters, na foul pa.
Winters, kanina yung first attempt niya from the 3 minutes.
Sobra lakas yung tira niya kanina.
Ito naman sa ilalim
Ngayon,
niya.
bumawi siya sa ilalim.
Kaya dalawang free throw ang ibibigay rito kay Winters.
Pero makikita mo talaga yung rivalry ng dalawa, no? Ayaw magbigayan, ayaw magpatalo parehas. Iba talaga yung rivalry ng San Beda Letran pag naglalaban.
That's Al Marlon Winters. May nire-review muna ng ating mga referee dito. Nandito pa rin kami sa Feel Oil, Eco Oil Center sa San Juan. Kaya kung gusto nyo makanood ng maganda-gandang laban ng mga future Philippine basketball players, mga future ng Philippine basketball, dito lang yan sa NCAA Season 99 Junior Basketball Tournament. Ang mga kung tawagin natin ay mga new heroes of the game.
Sila kasi yung future ng Philippine basketball. Dito nanggagaling sa NCAA Juniors, yung mga pinakamagaling na players na naglalaro sa Pro League natin. So, ito yung honing skills nila, ma-develop yung skills nila para pag umakyat sila sa college, sa Pro League, complete player na sila.
Yan. At syempre, marami-rami tayong kakilala dyan. Kung isa-isay natin, hindi tayo matatapos yung mga from NCAA.
Isang example lang, Paul Lee, galing San Sebastian. Rafi Reyes, yan, mga galing San Sebastian. Teammate ko, OG Minor, yan.
Yung sila, Paul, ba? Kasabayan mo yung mga, nagkasabay ba kayo sa juniors?
Sa juniors, hindi. Ang kasabay ko nun, si Eric Salamat, sila ang mga kasabay ko nung kalaban ng San Sebastian nun. Tapos sa Mapua, sila Japet Aguilar naman yung mga kabatch ko. Kaya lang makikita na edad ko niyan pag mga sinasabi ko yung kabatch ko.
Parang, gusto mo, wala ko edad mo? And right now, still, San Beda University doing a good job sa ating first half, banking on their 3-point shots para makaalagwa sa laban na ito. They're up by 8, 39-31. Itong Letran Squares naman, trying to find the rhythm. Kanina, hindi makahulog mula sa labas. Brings their game inside. Mukhang yun yung mas gumagana sa kanila, James.
Yes, mainit na mainit yung start nitong San Beda Red Caps. Parang 5 3-pointers agad sila nung first quarter. So, doon talaga sila umaasa. Kaya lang itong Letran medyo maalat nga sa 3 points. So, kaya nag-zone tong San Beda Red Caps ngayon. Naka 2-3 zone sila.
As you see, meron tayo medyo counting gap dito. May kinaklarify lang ang ating mga referee.
Bago yan, pwede ba ako mag-shoutout kay Coach Mel Gador?
Yun.
Nakikinig ngayon, nanonood ngayon sa live natin. So, shoutout sa iyo, Coach Mel Gador.
Speaking of live, you can watch us online through the NCAA Philippines Facebook page. Live na live tayo dyan.
Contact with an opponent and not legitimately attempting to directly play the ball.
Di natin ganong marinig itong
Ano kaya nangyari ba? Antayin natin yung call ng referee.
Pero surely itong si Winters will have his free throws right after this lull. Ito yung mga lalamigin ka yung mainit ka tapos lalamigin ka. Maybe Letran could use this lull para palamigin itong mga taga San Beda. As Winters will have his free throw. First shot is good para kay Almarlon Winters. Ganda na ang apelido niya,
Winters. May lahi siguro to.
Kanina may IC dun sa first game natin. IC Kalyangan. Ito naman si Winters. Malamig. Reyes. Letran has the ball here. Gives it to the corner. Gasingan, mintis dun. Beda with yet another board.
Medyo maalat nga itong Letran sa 3-point shot 2 out of 11 sa game na to.
By losses, kumatong bakal. Decides to take it inside. A block there.
Good D.
By Gasingan. San Beda has the ball pa rin. 2 seconds remaining. At mauubusan na tayo ng oras sa ating first half. At the end of 2 quarters, San Beda Red Caps leading against the Letran Squares 40-31. Maganda-gandang laban. Dikit pa to kung tutuusin. At hindi pa tayo tapos, James. 2 quarter.